So hi guys, welcome back, and today we are going to learn how to attach a new volume to our EC2 instance. So first we need to create one EC2 instance. So we are going to create by clicking on the launch instance, and we have to create a Ubuntu server. We can select for Ubuntu server for our testing purpose, and for free tier account we are eligible for T2 micro. So let's click on the next. So this is the default configuration, like number of instances required 1, default VPC, default subnet, and auto assign IP is enable. So this is the setting. We are not going to change anything. Let's click on the storage. So for free tier account we are eligible for 30 GB storage. Add the tag here, provide the name, and here we have to provide the instance name like my instance. Okay, and click on the next security group. So in the security group we have to define our security settings that we have created in the previous lecture. So just click on the review and launch. So here it will be show the all the setting that we have done for the EC2, and just click on the launch. So our EC2 instance will be created. So we have to choose our key pair that we have created in previous lecture. Just click on the launch. Now it will take a few minutes to create the instance, and it will be up in very few minutes. So let's click on the refresh. It is in pending state. It will take, yeah, it is running. So let's connect this EC2 instance. So just open your console, and copy this IP address, and command is ssh -i. Then you have to define your PEM file. So my PEM file is abhishek.pem. Then you have to provide the username. So username is Ubuntu, and you have to provide the IP address of that public IP of your Ubuntu server. So this is the command that you can log in into your server. Just click on the yes. So here we are able to log in into our server, and the first command we are executing check is df-h, that how many file directories we have. We have dev-root, that is size is 7.7 GB. In that one 1.3 GB is used and 6.5 GB is available. Let's clear this one. We don't have any extra volume. So first we need to create the volume. So let's go to our EC2 instance. So volume section will be elastic block storage, and we have to click on the volumes, and we can see here that it's a one volume is already present. So whenever we are creating any EC2 instance, there is a one volume will be created that attached to our EC2 instance is EBS volume that we have created at the time of our EC2. So let's create a new volume. So first we need to create the volume. First we need to check where our EC2 instance is, in which availability zone. So our EC2 instance is present. So we can see here our first we need to go to the details, then we go to the networking, and here we can see the availability zone is 1A. So we need to create a volume in that availability zone. So click on the create volume, and here we are using the general purpose. Just define the 8 GB. Availability zone that we are selecting is A. Just provide the name is new volume and create the volume. So once you create the volume, it will be visible here. This is our volume, and it is available, but it is not in use. So for that one we have to click our this checkbox, go to the action, attach a volume, and once you see this instance, so once you click on here this input box, so you can see here there is an instance that is running. If you have multiple instances, that can be visible here. So once you select that one, this is the device name. This is the device name. Just copy this device name and click on the attach. So once you attach these things, it is in use, means this is volume is attached to your EC2 instance. So let's go to our terminal and execute the command is lsblk. So here we can see that there is a one more volume xvdf is attached to our instance. Now we need to check that one this xvdf have any file system or not. For that one we have to command, just go to our, this is the command that we need to check is there any file system or not. The command is sudo file -l -sl, then this is the device name. So we don't have any file system attached to our new volume, so we need to create a file system. For that one we have to execute the another command, that is sudo make file system, and this is the command for creating the file system. So sudo mkfs make file system -t, what is the file system, xfs, and for this device. So the file system is created, then again execute the previous command to check the file system. So we can see here the SGI file system is created. So now we need to mount this volume. For that one we have to create a one folder, sudo mkdir -p. The folder name you can define anything like my volume. Okay, now we need to mount this file system we need to mount this new volume to this folder. So for that one we have to execute this command is sudo mount. First we need to find this path, so cd so there's a one folder is created here, my volume. Let's go to the my volume pwd, so we can get the path here. Now the next command is we need to mount. Okay, so mount to our new volume. So for that one we have command is sudo mount, then we have to provide the our device name here, and we have to provide the path of where we need to mount. So just copy this one, paste. So this is now is mount, so it can be appear in our file system. So ls df -h. So we can see here our the new volume is xvdf 8gb is attached to this location, means it is mount on this location, and our root volume is here. So this is the way where we can add the another volume to our EC2 instance. So guys, thank you. Please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Have a nice day. Bye.